Get ready to learn and get ready for fun with the Get Ready for School Learning Desk from VTech. This 5-in-1 desk makes learning come to life with an interactive desktop, projector, writing pad, chalkboard, and art station. Includes 5 activity pages to explore numbers, music, shapes, and more. Follow the lights on the writing pad to practice writing letters and numbers.
You wrote the number 2.
Project one of the desk's 4 image reels. This one's all about shapes and colors. Additional reels are fun for tracing. Keep track of days and weather with the Day of the Week roller and weather slider. Now play some music and let the creativity begin. Flip up the desktop and voila! Chalkboard and easel are ready to go. Learning can be fun every day with the Get Ready for School Learning Desk from VTech.